In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove backgrounds from images directly in Google Slides 2025. This is an incredibly useful skill, especially if you're preparing presentations and want your visuals to really pop. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to head over to Google Slides. You can access it by typing slides.google.com into your browser's address bar. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to sign into your Google account. Make sure you use the account associated with your Google Slides, and if you don't have an account yet, you might want to set one up to follow along smoothly. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. This is where all your presentations live, and from here you can select what you want to work on. For this demonstration, we'll either click on blank presentation to create a new slide, or pick an existing template if you prefer. The choice is yours depending on the look you're after. Now with your slide template ready, let's focus on adding an image whose background you'd like to remove. Click on Insert at the top of the page, then choose Image to upload the picture you want to work with. It could be one from your computer or a link online. Once your image is placed, it's time to move on to the exciting part. Next, we'll be using an extension called Background Remover for Images. To install this, click on the Extensions tab in the toolbar, and from the drop-down, you'll need to download the specific extension for removing backgrounds. This tool makes it seamless for us to edit images directly within Slides without needing third-party software. After installing the extension, it should appear under the Extensions menu as Background Remover for Images. Click on it to activate. To begin using it, click on Open from the subsequent menu that appears. This action launches the tool so you can start editing. With the tool open, you'll see an option labelled Start Remove. Click on this to trigger the background removal process. The extension will automatically process your image, keeping the main subject intact while removing the surrounding areas. This automation makes it simple and quick, saving you the hassle of manual edits. And there you have it, folks, a clean, polished image right within Google Slides. Removing backgrounds has never been easier, and now your presentations can have that professional touch. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to play around with different images and templates to see what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!